Hey, what's going on everyone? Xiaomi has teased the Redmi Note 10s via their official pages hinting at its launch in India. So in this video, we will talk about the expected price, the launch date and the expected specifications of Redmi Note 10s. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, if you're still not subscribed to Phone Politics, make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming videos. Redmi Note 10s is seemingly teased by Xiaomi to launch in India soon. The company has released a photo with a retail box that teases key specifications of an upcoming Redmi phone. The company is largely anticipated to launch Redmi Note 10s in India, as the teased specifications ally with the phone that was launched globally last month. Xiaomi has already launched 3 models in the Redmi Note 10 series in India: the Redmi Note 10, the Redmi Note 10 Pro and the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. And it may be looking to add another model into the mix. The company has teased the arrival of a new Redmi phone through its official Twitter page. The teaser includes an image of a retail box of key specifications of the phone on it. The upcoming Redmi handset is teased to have a 64 megapixel main camera, run on MIUI 12.5 and comes in 3 color options: blue, dark grey and white. It is teased to be gaming centric, support high-res audio and features a super display. Given the specifications, the phone is largely anticipated to be the Redmi Note 10s that was unveiled globally last month. If Xiaomi is indeed launching the Redmi Note 10s in India soon, its pricing should be somewhere in the range of the Redmi Note 10, that is priced starting at 12,499 currently. A recent leak suggested that Redmi Note 10s will launch in India in 3 storage configurations: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. As for the specifications, the Redmi Note 10s launched globally, runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 12.5, features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus hole punch AMOLED display and is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 SoC. It will pack a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging and features a quad rear camera setup with 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel macro sensor and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Up front, the Redmi Note 10s is listed to include 13 megapixel selfie sensor. The phone will have a side mounted fingerprint scanner and also supports AI face unlock as well. As far the launch date is concerned, there is no official confirmation yet, but as per some reports, the phone could be launched within the next 2 months. We just have to be a little more patient. We will have more details on this phone in the coming days. So that is all for today's video. If you have any questions regarding this video, you can leave your comment in the comment section below. If you really find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Goodbye for now. See you guys in the next one.